guys, welcome back to Exploding Kitchen. So, today we're gonna make
Who's that Pokemon? It's
strawberry ice cream.
Okay.
So, today we're gonna make strawberry ice cream. First, let us look at the ingredients. We need 2 packets of whipping cream, evaporated milk, strawberry jam, and 2 boxes of strawberries. Have you got the ingredients? Great, let's start.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Do it! Just do it!
First, prepare the strawberries. Next, remove the top. Then cut. And cut. Next.
Oh my god! Wow!
And then smash it. Add some strawberry jam. After that, prepare the whipping cream. Stir it until it becomes like this. Now, pour the milk into the strawberry paste. Mix it and cook until it becomes like this. Once you're done, put it into a container. Mix it well. Once you're done,
Yeah, boy.
now put it into a fridge for 1 night.
tomorrow.
So yeah, that's it. See you next time.
Hey, you! Where do you think you're going? Have you subscribed our channel? What? No? Subscribe now or else I will.